Cryptocurrency. USDC. USD Coin. The dollar coin, also known as the USDC. Individuals and institutions can sign up for this service, and then convert US dollars into tokens that can be used anywhere the internet reaches, and exchange USDC tokens and cash into bank accounts. Like other stablecoins, the USDC's value algorithm is pegged to the value of the US dollar, so it is stable relative to the US dollar. This makes it easier to use cryptocurrencies like cash, withdraw fiat currency, etc. The USDC was launched in 2018 and is backed by the Center Consortium, which is a partner of two well-known cryptocurrency brands, Circle and Coinbase.